Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes. Welcome to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and cover is a song that I love. It's called In the Air Tonight, written and performed by the legendary Phil Collins. In the Air Tonight was his first single from his debut solo album Face Value, released in the winter of 1981. It peaked at number 19 on the Billboard Hot 100. Let's take a couple minutes now and look at the chords and the chord progression to this great hit. Okay, 4 very easy chords to play in this song. Let's review them now. First chord is an A sus2. There's a G major chord. An F major bar chord. And then I actually use a C add 9. Let's review them again. A sus2, G major, F major bar chord, and a C add 9. That's it. Those are the only 4 chords in the song. It's repeated over and over and over again. Let's take a couple minutes now and look at a little bit of the chord progression and the strumming. Okay, the cover that I perform for this particular song, I play with more of an arpeggio style picking. I'll show you what that means here in just a couple of minutes. You don't have to play it that way. You can simply strum the chords. That's quite acceptable. Let's review the strumming now. It starts on the A sus2. Let's have a look. And that's really it. That's the strumming technique and style through the entire song. Let's take a couple of seconds now and look at this arpeggio picking style, and I'll explain how I do it. Okay, for those of you that don't understand arpeggio style picking, here's a bit of an explanation. We're going to use the A sus2 chord that is used in this particular song. So when strumming an A sus2 chords, it sounds basically like this. Now for arpeggio style picking, really what you do is you just pick each string in the chord itself. Sounds like this. And that's really it. That's arpeggio style picking. Now I do this style through the entire song with the exception of the bridge to the chorus to the outro, where I do a full-on strumming. As we play the song, you'll see what I'm talking about. I really like this style for this cover because I think it adds to the kind of melodic rhythm of the song itself, and I think you'll find it as well. Now, mastering arpeggio style picking takes a little bit of practice, but once you've got it down, it's like second nature. So let's take a look here at the chord progression using this style. I will make just a quick note here. On the F major bar chord, I actually suspend my middle finger and keep the G string open. So I suspend my middle finger, G string open. I'll show you. Okay, that's it. Let's go through the chord progression using this style. Starting, of course, on the A sus2. Here we go. And that's it. That's how I play the song all the way through it. It really adds to it quite nicely. Okay, So now we're going to mic it up. We're going to take advantage of a really great backbeat, kind of a hand progression backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. Practice that a few times and be ready to join me. Last thing I want to note here is that I actually changed the key on this. I use my capo and I put it on the 1st fret. I sing this a little bit higher and I like to have my capo there. It's up to you. Play your capo wherever you want, wherever it best suits your voice.
Can you feel it coming in the air tonight? Oh Lord, oh Lord, and I've been waiting for this moment all my life. Oh Lord, oh Lord, can you feel it coming in the air tonight? Oh Lord, oh Lord. What if you told me you were drowning? I would not lend a hand. I've seen your face before, my friend, but I don't know if you know who I am. And I was there and I saw what you did. I saw it with my own 2 eyes. So you can wipe off that grin. I know where you've been. It's all been a pack of lies. Well, I remember, don't worry. How could I ever forget? It's the first time, the last time we ever met. But I know the reason why you keep your silence up. No, you don't fool me, 'cause the hurt doesn't show, but the pain soon grows. Some stranger to you and me. Can you feel it coming in the air tonight? Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. And I've been waiting for this moment all my life. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. Can you feel it coming in the air tonight? Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord.
And there you have it, In the Air Tonight, written and performed by Phil Collins. One of my favorite songs. I really have fun playing it. Thank you for tuning in to my Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate it. Till the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.